loud, wet, and wild. KICKER KMTC8 wake tower speakers just woke my entire lake. Ever felt like your boat sounds more like a tin can than a party cruiser? You fire up your playlist, expecting a vibe, only to be hit with weak mids, scratchy highs, and bass so thin it might as well be imaginary. Your speakers are either rusting, rattling, or just vibing at the volume of a distant mosquito. And don't even get started on wiring nightmares, busted clamps, or LEDs that look like your uncle's 2005 Christmas lights. It's frustrating, it's deflating, and it kills the mood before you even hit the throttle. Admit it, didn't get a boat to sound basic. Now stack that disappointment on top of a killer summer day with zero vibe. You're out there with friends, sun's blazing, drinks are cold, and your boat sounds like it's broadcasting from a flip phone. No punch. No party. Just awkward silence and a Bluetooth speaker hanging on for dear life. You miss the dropping your favorite song, and suddenly everyone's scrolling TikTok instead of vibing. The pressure to entertain is real, and your boat's audio? It's ghosting you. Every trip becomes a missed opportunity to show off, to connect, to throw the kind of sound wave that turns heads across the lake. Here's your rescue mission, the KICKER KMTC8 wake tower speakers. These beasts don't just play, they project. With 600 watts of raw power, 8-inch UV-treated woofers, Santoprene surrounds, and legit PEI tweeters, they deliver sound so crisp and loud, the fish will be dancing. The 359 degrees Toolless swivel lets you aim the music exactly where it needs to hit, wakeboarder, dock crew, or that jealous guy 2 pontoons over. Oh, and did we mention built-in 7-color LEDs? Yeah. These things glow. Rugged, weatherproof, and party-tested, they're built to survive salt, sun, fog, and full-send weekends. What you're getting is more than sound, it's an experience. With stainless steel rust-proof clamps, 1.5-inch to 3.25-inch tubing, horizontal or vertical, through-clamp wiring for a clean flex-free install, and optional KMLC control for wild color modes, this setup doesn't just look pro, it feels pro. You'll notice the difference the moment you hit play, punchy bass, crystal clear highs, and no more fiddling with angles mid-ride. Just music, all around you, wherever you point. Whether you're hitting the lake at dawn or lighting up the night at Party Cove, these speakers deliver. Ready to hear what your boat's been missing? Don't wait till another lake day gets wasted. Join thousands of boaters who've already upgraded their marine sound game with KICKER KMTC8s. These aren't just speakers, they're statement pieces, built to turn heads and shake wakes. Gloss black style, unmatched adjustability, powerful sound, and that hypnotic LED glow? You don't want to be the only one still stuck in tin can audio hell. Act fast, supplies vanish every season. Seize the vibe, own the party, and make your boat the soundtrack to every summer memory. Click now. Install once. Regret never. Let's get loud.